Hi, my name is Vaidehi. I'm living Chopra. I'm preparation for designing classes. I'm preparing for product designing. Today's topic for my art. Art is a creative activity for people. This is called. Art is a creative activity by people. That is called as artistic. They affect emotions of people. They experience it artistic, express themselves. Some people find art for relaxing. Many people disagree how to define art. Some people make art for creativity and make enjoyment. Thank you.